Hello everyone, I'm Ranjani. For the next few minutes, I'm going to talk about enterprise architecture, why it is used in IT projects, and how it can be wisely used with respect to bigger organizations. So, nowadays, we cannot run business without IT, and IT is getting more and more complex because it should support business that they are involved in. So, the business in an organization, the business may be dependent on many IT projects and applications, and these applications and projects may be interdependent on each other. Um, in such a case, if we want to upgrade an application, or if we want, suppose if we want to remove an application um, which is not being used or being lessly used, this is not at all possible because of this interconnections, which we call it as a kind of spaghetti architecture. So here comes the use of enterprise architecture, which is a conceptual blueprint of the conceptual blueprint that defines the structure and operation of an organization. This enterprise architecture also forms a bridge between the business and the IT, and also helps us in attaining the organizational goals by considering the challenges that is being faced by the technology people. The business is something which changes time to time in terms of its requirements, needs, and strategies. So the IT should always be responsive to these new changes that is coming in within the budget, because the budget is always a concern for the business, and IT should also be effective in terms of delivering the solutions. So now comes the question: how can we implement this enterprise architecture to our organization? We have some tools and frameworks such as Zagman framework, TOGAF, ADM, which is available, which helps us in understanding this enterprise architecture and also guides us to install this enterprise architecture, implement this enterprise architecture in our organization. So, lastly, who's responsible for doing this piece of work? He's the enterprise architect, who should have an holistic and expansive view of the different projects that is going across the organization, and he should also make the IT architecture in line with the business. So he is the person who's responsible for doing this, for monitoring this um, enterprise architecture. Thank you.